How to choose between bold, wide types. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to choose between wide types and bold, you can head over and follow up these steps. So head over and access the application Bold on your device, and once you do so, you can end up your destination. You should be finding a where to section. Just go ahead and tap on it. After that, type in your location here and view the available wide types for your location. So let me just head over and type in the location first. And once that is done, here you will be finding this. So you can just go ahead and confirm the pickup, tap on confirm pickup. And once you confirm the pickup, you will be finding option to choose payment method. Just go ahead and add up a card. And once that is done, you will be finding option for available ride types. Something like this. So just go ahead and consider the number of people traveling and the amount of luggage you have. After that, if you're traveling for business, choose a business category. And if you're traveling for a larger group or have a lot of luggage, set choose XXL, and otherwise select standard for most budget friendly option. And that's it. So if you'd also like to choose between bold, white types, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.